Hello, friends. Thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. So it's a great week. It's only Thursday. A bunch of news tomorrow and an inflation reading, but interest rates backing down nicely with the 10-year note moving beneath 4%, 392 as I'm talking. Mortgage-backed securities up a couple hundred basis points this week, which is about a 0.5% in rate in just a few days. Remarkable. And the big thing that we're watching is the notion of central banks around the globe stepping down the pace of their rate hikes in the future. President ECB, the European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde, on Thursday morning noted that, hey, they raised rates by 75 basis points, and they have made what they call like substantial progress in removing accommodation, which the global financial markets viewed as, okay, that means they're going to do less in the future. That comes on the heels of last Friday's article by the Wall Street Journal, which suggested our Fed will do the same. And so now we have to get to next Wednesday to see if the Fed will, in fact, raise rates by 75 basis points, which is the baseline expectation, but also elude a similar notion that, hey, maybe we need to let these rate hikes settle into the economy and see where things are. What I leave you with is one important metric that took place this week, which may give the Fed reason to start backing off. And that is the yield curve inversion between the 3-month bill and the 10-year note, right? We always talk about the 2 and the 10. That's what gets batted around on TV a lot. But the Federal Reserve has always talked about that being a gauge that they watch. And that 3-month bill is now yielding more than the 10-year note. And the last time that happened, and every time that happened, it led to a recession, right? But more importantly, the Fed, back in 2019, it happened in March, they were cutting rates not too soon thereafter. And that was a time where everybody in the world was saying higher rates, higher rates. They actually cut. I'm not suggesting a cut, but at least a step down. So that's what we're watching going into next week. Hope this finds you well. Have a terrific weekend. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.